I understand there are some products available that a care partner can use to provide comfort for someone near the end of life. Let's talk about mouth care first. What sort of products are available to help with that?
So we can start off with a very simple product, which is club soda. And club soda is salt and soda. So it not only moisturizes the mouth, but it helps to clean the mouth. So using that as instead of water, it actually brings more comfort to the mouth when you're doing it. Now,
Really?
you may be able to use a very soft or child's toothbrush if the person is able to open their mouth and cooperate with care, or you may ask your providers or your pharmacist to provide you with some mouth swabs. I've brought along one that we use. You don't have to use this specific brand, but there are some things to it that are important when you're doing mouth care. So this one looks like this. So
Okay.
if you feel it, it's got a little bit of roughness to it, but it's fairly soft. And the indentations help to sort of clean the mouth as well. What we like about this one is no matter how much we bend it or if the person were to clamp down on it, they won't actually break it. So they wouldn't clamp down and break it off and have the chance of swallowing it.
Okay, so I can get that from the pharmacist or the staff. Now, once I've got it, what do I do with it?
So when you're with your loved one, just talk to them, let them know what you're planning to do. So their name, I want to go in and just clean your mouth a little bit. Sometimes just even taking the swab and just touching their lips so they know that there's something there. They may open their mouth and then just explain in the very simplest terms, I'm just going to put this wet swab in there. I'm just going to clean your mouth. Sometimes they may clamp down. Just take the time, they'll open their mouth, just that simple explanation of what you're going to do. And similarly, once you've cleaned it, then just putting a little bit of the moisturizer onto this and just say again, I'm going to go back in your mouth and I just want to put this around on your tongue and onto your gums. Once you've done it a couple of times with your loved one, they'll begin to know what you're doing and they'll know that they are actually feeling more comfortable after you've done it. And then at the end, just a little bit on their lips to keep their lips moistened so they don't dry and become cracked.